Third, auto. Let's say we are running the program for the first time. In case of the collision of the cutter, we should try to run the program slowly with the help of the hand wheel. Making sure the installation of the hand wheel, press auto and then hand wheel. Enter automatic hand pulse mode. Enter. Now we are entered the auto hand pulse mode. Then press start to start the program. Slowly spinning the hand wheel, you can check the program for errors. To quit the hand pulse mode, press pause to pause the program and then press hand pulse. Exit automatic hand pulse mode. Enter. Now, if everything is set, you can press start to activate the machine tool. And it will automatically run the program. 好，结束。